Hello friends, welcome to Smiley Stories. Are you ready for a story? Messy Bessey, written by Patricia and Frederick McIsaac, illustrated by Dana Reagan. Look at your room, Messy Bessey. See colors on the wall, books on the chair, toys in the dresser drawer, and games everywhere. Messy Bessey, your room is a mess. See shoes on the bed, coat on the floor, socks on the table, and your hat on the door. Bessey, look at your messy room. See the cup in the closet, cookies on the pillow, gum on the ceiling, and jam on the window. Messy, messy Bessey, your room is a mess. Get the soap and water. Get the mop and broom. Get busy, Messy Bessey. You must clean your room. So Bessey rubbed and scrubbed the walls, the ceiling, and the floor. She made her bed, picked up her things, and closed the closet door. Hurrah! Good for you, Miss Bessey. Just look at you too. Your room is clean and beautiful, just like you. Thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, share, and consider subscribing.